When we interview a group of people, we call it a focus group. Together, stakeholders discuss the issues and share their ideas, which usually sparks additional ideas. Crowdsourcing uses online technology to facilitate a focus group-like experience. The crowd can be made up of internal stakeholders and people outside the organization, like job applicants or recent retirees. Crowdsourcing may involve surveys, but the crowd can also collaborate and discuss in real time. This option allows us to explore complex, controversial, or unexpected issues because the discussion is a two-way street, unlike surveys. If additional issues come up, the agenda can be adjusted. By including groups of people in this way, we increase the likelihood that they and others will support the training that results. The problem is that focus groups can be time-consuming, and some people are hesitant to share their ideas in a group setting. Instead, they tell us what they think we want to hear.